Python numbers. Python numbers. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float, complex. Variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. Example. To verify the type of any object in Python, use the type function. Example. Int. Int, or integer, is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. Example. Float. Float, or floating point number, is a number, positive or negative, containing one or more decimals. Example. Float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. Example. Complex. Complex numbers are written with a j as the imaginary part. Example. Type conversion. You can convert from one type to another with the int, float, and complex methods. Example. Convert from one type to another. Note, you cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. Random number. Python does not have a random function to make a random number, but Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. Example. Import the random module, and display a random number from 1 to 9.